welcome to your next German lesson today. This is Markus, and today we are going to talk about personal pronouns in the nominative case in German. Okay, so just a short wrap up. What are personal pronouns? You use personal pronouns if you want to talk about something else or somebody else, or about yourself without actually taking the name. Okay, so it's pronoun. You use it instead of a noun. So for example, in Hindi you have मैं, तुम, तू, आप, वो. ठीक है? That's all personal pronouns. And or in English, I, you, he, she, it, we. That's all personal pronouns. The nominative case means it's the person that's acting. Okay, so you use different personal pronouns depending on whether that person is or thing is acting in the sentence, or whether something is happening to it. And okay, and today we are doing the nominative case, which means it's the acting pronoun. Okay, so in German the pronouns are as follows. Ich means I, मैं. Du, तुम, or du. Actually in German we only have one for the two. Tum and tu is du, and we have then also a formal version, but that comes later. Dann means he. Sie means she. Es is it. Then wir means we. Ihr is you, like more than one person. Und sie means they. And then in German there's also a bara sie with a capital S, sie, and that is ab. And that behaves in a lot of ways like a plural pronoun, even if you are only speaking to one person. So sie applies to either one person, if you want to talk with respect, or to a group of people. Even if a single person in that group deserves this respect and you know all the others quite well, you would use sie. So once again, ich, du, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie oder sie, ab. Okay, so in later videos we'll go into more detail, also with more examples and verbs and how we declinate all these different things, but for now that's enough. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button so you get a notice whenever there's a new video. Also drop us a comment, because we are always interested to know what you would be interested in, what you would like us to prepare for you, and what you would like to learn. And then I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye. Your